Unlocking the surprise, the meaning of startling. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a word that often pops up in English conversations, stories, and news. The word, startling. Whether you're a beginner or advanced in English, understanding the nuances of such words can be a real game changer in your learning journey. So, let's explore what makes something startling and how you can use this word to add excitement to your English conversations. The word, startling, is an adjective that describes something that is very surprising, shocking, or frightening in a way that can make people jump or feel sudden alarm. But it's not just any surprise. It's the kind that catches you off guard and makes your heart skip a beat. Imagine walking in a quiet garden and suddenly a bird flies out from a bush right next to you. That's a startling experience. It's not just the bird that's startling. It's the unexpected rush of action in a calm environment that really gets your adrenaline going. Startling can describe various situations. Here are a few scenarios. Unexpected events, like a firework exploding when you thought the show was over. Sudden changes. For example, a peaceful sky suddenly filled with a storm of birds. Shocking information, like learning a secret about someone you thought you knew well. Frightening experiences, such as turning a corner and coming face to face with a snake. In each case, the key factor is the element of surprise and a strong emotional reaction. Now, let's see how we can use startling in sentences to convey that sense of surprise. The magician's startling trick left the audience speechless. She made a startling discovery in her research that could change everything. The news reported a startling turn of events in the election. His resemblance to the painting was absolutely startling. By using startling this way, you're telling your listener that whatever you're describing is not just surprising, it's powerfully so. If you want to mix up your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for startling. Astonishing, shocking, astounding, stunning, amazing. Each of these words can be used in place of startling to describe something that surprises you to a great extent. Thank you for watching, and I hope this exploration of the word startling has been as exciting for you as a startling event itself. Remember, adding words like this to your vocabulary can make your English more vivid and expressive. So go ahead, use startling in your next conversation and see the impact it makes. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.